So I have the special cartoon thing on it, and I'm going to be playing with only 3 of my minifigures for Minecraft. My chicken, my zombie with iron armor, and my Steve with iron armor. I just opened these 2, but I got this one a while ago. I think this one's also rare, and I also think it's name of this. But anyways, Steve looks inside the chest. He looked inside and he found an iron sword. Of course, an iron sword. So, he took his iron sword and he found a pet chicken. He took seeds and always had that pet chicken. 1 second. Okay, so he went around looking and he found this zombie with iron armor just popped out. And even though it was daytime, the headgear protects him from burning alive. So he got killed. And victory was again to Steve. So, victory to Steve. But what about his poor chicken? Never got a victory song. Never got a victory dance. Never got nothing. So, chicken went missing. And Steve was literally everywhere. You couldn't find him? It became nighttime, where more mobs were spawning in the land. He got attacked from behind by another zombie with iron armor. He looked behind him and he slayed it, but it took a long time. Just his iron sword. Eventually his iron sword broke. He found another chest, opened it up, and found another iron sword. So, then it was nighttime, so more zombies with iron armor and zombies basically. So more stuff was spawning. Him and his poor little chicken. Well, he reunited with his chicken. Him and his poor little chicken were standing there when suddenly, attack from behind on both of them. It was none other than, say it, the zombie with iron armor. Say it.
Zombie with armor.
Iron armor.
Iron armor.
Okay, so, cartoon face. So.
Oh, you're killing me.
He went ahead and the chicken went ahead and stood up. He stared and stared until he finally flipped upside down and died because of the zombie attack and the poison from the zombie from earlier. Yasha! So poor Steve was all alone in the dark, with mobs everywhere. And he killed lots of zombies with iron armor on. And eventually, he found another chicken. So he was reunited, basically, with a chicken. So he had another pet. But suddenly, whoosh, he was dead. So it took a long time. He went to a chest that he saw. It was filled with all the stuff that he had lost. He had also lost his chicken. Luckily, the chicken was right outside where he was, because the chicken still followed. Very obedient chicken. So he went out, fought more mobs. But then it was morning. But of course, that didn't stop the mobs from spawning. Or the mobs with iron armor on from spawning. Mostly zombies. So, I will continue in the next video for Iron Steve tomorrow. Or should I call it Iron Chicken? I'll call it Iron Chicken next time. And bye.